documents for signature to multiple recipients on Docusign. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to send documents for signature to multiple recipients. In order to do this, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in www.apps.docusign.com, and that's going to directly take you to the home page. So first thing, you need to prepare or upload the documents you need to send for signature to your Docusign account. So when you do that, it's going to show you this sort of interface. So first of all, you can just go ahead and set up your account. Once you have completely registered your account, right in between you can see there's this option as sign or get signatures. So click the start button, and when you click the start button, it's going to open up another page where you need to go ahead and add documents and then add recipient. So first thing, let's go ahead and upload the documents. So I'm going to select it from my desktop. I'm going to go with this one. So when you've uploaded the documents, then you need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to go to the section that says add recipient. Right over here, you need to provide in the name of the particular recipient to whom you wish to send it. So type in the name and then the email address, and after that you need to go ahead and click on add recipient if you wish to add multiple. Do the same procedure if you wish to add multiple, and then you can go ahead and type in the message, and once done with this procedure, then you can go ahead and click on the share button. Then you'll have successfully uploaded or shared your documents with multiple users on Docusign. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.